Hello family, it's Jim Hawkins. Today is June 1st, 2026. It's the start of the summer season here in the United States. Starting to warm up. Those hot days, hot summer nights. Just wanted to bring an update to you from last night. Chris, Julie, and Susie did a live last night about 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It was quick. Some of you may have seen it. I did share out to some of the community the best I could. I did share out on Facebook, just trying to get the information out there. Chris started saying that they had a video chat with Ash over the weekend. Several people were included in that. There was a lot of information brought up to what's going to take place, but there was a lot of emphasis on the past. And I wanted to bring some of that to your attention. So I'm going to mention this name. Unpassive is no longer with us. We must, as Susie says, we must shed the past. A lot of social media are still using terminology, O-founders, unpassive founders, different things that refer back to the unpassive name as a business. Again, Ash is saying you have to totally get away from that. Unpassive was great for what it was. We're not doing unpassive any longer. We're moving into Victory with Ash. And he was very, according to Chris and the three, Julie, Susie, and Chris, they said that we need to get rid of the mindset of the unpassive old ways. I'm going to say we did learn quite a bit during that time. Use this analogy, okay? So maybe we were all children at one point in a passive. We learned, we grew, we learned a lot of good information. We had a lot of good products. All that stuff led to us growing and maturing to what we are now. Again, unpassive is no longer part of our journey. It is a remembrance to look back and say, look what we had, and to use some of that technology, some of the experience that we had, to refer people to say this is what we did have, and if we have anything like that with VictoryWithAsh or the next business in the future, in the forward future, again, using those experiences and all those tools and the character that we were built within us, all that stuff we can still take along with us, but unpassive is not there anymore. So again, moving from that, Chris did say that something is just around the corner. No time frame was given. It just said something's coming up around the corner, and I've heard that from both Chris and Susie. Something's coming up just around the corner. And again, no time frame. That could still mean days, months, hopefully not years, but it could be. But just allowing the patience to continue. Even Red today shared on his live that something's coming soon, perhaps even this month. But again, no time frame has been shared. But the biggest information that I want to share out from what they shared last night is, are you ready to move forward? Ash stated that, and that seems to be the motto for the moment, is, are you ready to move forward? And yes, I am ready to move forward. I hope that you are ready to move forward with us, with me, with the leaders of this company, and certainly with Ash. Are you ready to move forward? Yes, we are. We are more than ready. Ash, sir, we are more than ready. So with that, I just wanted to be short to give this brief update. I want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. Again, I try to get, when I get an update, I try to get out something as quickly as I can. I've been very busy. I moved my son out of the house. Not that that was a bad thing, but they moved into their own home, and it's just great. We've been very, very busy with work, and we've been trying to get a swimming pool. I spent most of the day trying to get a swimming pool put together. Not really put together, just get the water so it's clear instead of the green like you see in the background. It's somewhat green like that in the pool right now, but hopefully we can get that up and running. But I do appreciate you all. I love you all. Again, are you ready to move forward? Please, I am ready to move forward, and please be ready to move forward with us and with me and again, the leaders of this company. So with that, again, I appreciate your subscribing to my channel. Hit that like button, hit the notification bell whenever I post a video. Again, I'm really not posting a whole lot unless something's really happening. And if it's true, if they're saying it's right around the corner, you're going to see a lot more of me. So I hope you don't mind that. But anyway, I'm outside my home right now, just checking out the season. It is probably almost 8 o'clock this evening. So again, I love you guys, and I'll see you when I see you. Have a good night, have a good day wherever you're at. Good morning, and we'll talk to you all soon. Bye.